Hi, welcome to the demonstration of the Android-based product review and analysis system. This is an innovative system that helps the user to get a good product at his best price. The user is allowed to rate and review a product only once. Each product has the overall ratings and reviews given by the user and the seller's information with its price, which are clickable, and when clicked, the user is redirected to the seller's page. The user is allowed to search the products based on their categories. The user can compare two products of the same category only, while the admin is responsible to add the products as well as edit and delete them. Admin can view the list of users and their details and their feedbacks too. Let's see how it works. The admin and the user both are Android applications. Let's see the user part first. So you can create a new user. Since I have the credentials, let's log in. This is the home page. The loading dialog which appeared, it exits when all the contents of the home page are loaded. We have basically 5 categories here: TV, washing machine, fridge, laptop and mobile phones. So each category uses a horizontal scroll view which has 5 items of its category, and the more button and the arrow depicts the same action. It goes to the category page. So we have used a navigation drawer for easy navigation between modules. So let's start with the My Profile module. Here you can see the My Details, that is the user's detail which can be updated. Let's see the Compare module, and it says there are no items to display. So we have not added any item to compare, and the below menu items are the categories and a feedback module. So let's go to TV. The admin has added 5 TVs here, so let's click on LG 80 cm. The images below are clickable, and you can see the rating, the description of it and the review. Since the current user, that is me, have not rated or reviewed the product, that is the reason it is showing me to review or rate it. So let's give it a rating. And let's submit. So I am not allowed to rate or review the product in future, since I've already done it. You can see the rating and the review that I've just made. Let's click on Add to Compare, and it said the product is added to compare. And let's go to Compare module now. So it says only one item is added to compare, and we have to add the another one. So let's go to TV and select Micromax 81 cm. And let's select Add to Compare again. Since I added 2 items of the same category, it automatically took me to the compare page, and likewise I can compare it. And if I click on Compare module, I'll be redirected back to the same page. Let's click on washing machine now, and for example let's click on IFB and Add to Compare. Now let's go to Add to Compare, and it says the same thing, that only one item is added. Let's add a fridge to compare. It says the product is added to compare, and now let's see, we have added 2 different items this time, but it says there is only one item added to compare. That means if it finds a different item of a different category, it replaces the old one. The links in the home page are also clickable. Let's click on Micromax 81, and the admin has not added any seller's information, so let's select Sony Bravia. Okay, and here you see two sellers information. So if we select Chroma, we will be redirected to the Chroma's page where you can buy the product. So let's log out and see the admin part now. So by default, the admin is taken to the add product module. Here the admin has to add a product. Let's add a product. Let's give it a name, test. And let's select the product type as washing machine, and I have to add images, and the maximum images that I can upload are 4. And likewise you can remove them also. So for now let it be 2, and in the same way you can add the seller's information. For example, let's add some seller's information. Let's say for instance, let's type google.com and submit, and they have added it. If you cancel and if you see the link is already added, and if you click on it, you are able to edit it or remove it. And here you have to add a description. So let's not add anything, let's just type test here, and let's give a seller's link also. Submit, and let's submit. So the product is added, and it was added to the washing machine category. Let's select view product. Here by default the category is searched by all, so all the products will be loaded, and we can filter them. So these are all the products, and this is the product that I've just added, named test, and by default it selects the first picture. You have 2 options here, one is edit and one is more options. The first one is the more options button, and if you click on it, you will be taken to the product page where you can see the images can be changed, the seller's information, and the description. Since no user has given any review or rating, it won't show you that. And let's select the edit option now. It loads the page again so that if there are any modifications made on it, so let's click on edit. So here, for example, removed the price links, and I've named this test product, and update. So likewise it will be updated if you go back, and if you see, it is changed. It says test product, and likewise you can filter it according to the category. Let's see the view user model. Here you can see all the users who have registered themselves, and if you click on any user, you will get all the details of them. Likewise you can view the feedback, and if the feedback is irrelevant, you can also delete it clicking on the bin icon. Thank you.